The stress-free golf swing was created by Jeff Richmond of ConsistentGolf.com. There is an interesting story to the creation of this swing, because Jeff claims he accidentally discovered a secret move that Ben Hogan made in his golf swing. Jeff says he made this discovery on the 5th of March, 2015. Jeff knows the exact date, because the discovery was made when he was analyzing 23 great golfers' swings for a blog post he was doing, to see how much head movement great golfers have in their swings. The move Jeff found Ben Hogan does is completely contrary to what is traditionally taught in the golf swing, and after discovering it, Jeff was keen to try it himself. After trying the move, Jeff played a game a week later, and hit 14 greens in regulation. Then for the next 8 months Jeff continued to use the move, and averaged 12 greens in regulation over that period, up from an average 10 greens in regulation. After another great ball striking game in October, Jeff decided to make this move public. He waited so long because he didn't believe Ben Hogan had a secret that would work for everyone. But Jeff realized that his continued great results could not be denied. So he put his discovery into a detailed PDF, and made some videos to show how to do this move, and announced it to his 100,000 plus golfers that follow him, for them to try. But he only put it on the market for 7 days, to get a small test group of golfers, to test it out and to see if the secret move would work for them, as well as it did for Jeff. This took place on the 20th of November, 2015. On the 28th of January, 2016, Jeff emailed the testers for their feedback, and the results astounded Jeff. A small selection of the results from those golfers can be seen on the official site, which you will find it in the description box below. So what is the one secret move? Due to copyright rules and regulations, I'm unable to disclose details of the secret discovered. But I can say that the one secret move goes completely against what is taught traditionally in the golf swing. And this one swing secret makes timing a lot easier. Jeff provides proof of Ben Hogan, before the accident and after the accident, showing this magic move, which I like. As Ben Hogan said about his secret, it's easy to spot if you know where to look. And it is very easy to spot. When you get the stress-free golf swing, you get a PDF file and videos that show you how to do this move. It's a very simple move in theory, but for most people it will take a bit of getting used to, as it's a contrary move to what is taught in the golf swing, and what pretty much every golfer would be used to. But when you get this one move, the results are amazing. The golf swing is much easier to time and perfect. The golf swing becomes simple and easy to repeat. I have tried many different types of swings over the years, and the stress-free golf swing is by far the best and simplest. So if you want to hit the ball further and straighter, go to check out the stress-free golf swing on Real official site. The link will be in the description box below. You will see a lot of testimonials from real golfers. What is inside the ebook? When you try the stress-free golf swing, you'll finally be able to hit the ball properly and control where it goes with ease. And here's some other benefits you're going to get. You will only have one move to learn and perfect, which makes the golf swing incredibly easy. And I bet you've never worked on this one move before. You won't have countless to-do lists in your head as you swing. You can play golf instead of playing golf swing. You will swing with more power and control with this one move. As a result, you will hit the ball longer, straighter and more consistently than ever before. You'll finally have a golf swing you can trust, because it's simple and effective. You'll have good, consistent ball striking from one game to the next, even if you only play once a week if you're lucky. You'll have a body-friendly swing. Hogan's ball striking improved the older he got, and very soon you'll be able to do the same. How to buy the stress-free golf swing? Just use the link below to go to our official website.